In this video, learn how to download Windows 8.1. Open web browser. Type Windows 8.1 Download in the Google search bar. And press Enter. Go to the official Microsoft website or link given below in the description. If you need to install or reinstall Windows 8.1, you can use the tools on this page to create your own installation media using either a USB flash drive or a DVD. Windows 8.1 editions below are valid for both Windows 8.1 and Windows 8.1 Professional. Select the product language. You'll need to choose the same language when you install Windows. To see what language you're currently using, go to Time and Language in PC Settings or Region in Control Panel. Select the language and press Confirm button. 64-bit or 32-bit your system requirements. Choose a link below to begin the download. Once the download is complete, you can create a bootable USB drive or burn the Windows 8.1 ISO file to a DVD. This will allow you to install the operating system on your computer.